Hey guys, Michael Huber Architects here. Short little video. A client of mine, a watershed district, designed their office building. They asked if I could come and take some video photos of a project they recently completed. I am a FAA certified UAV pilot, so I fly drones, and I'm assuming they've done some prairie restoration or native species plantings, but we'll find out. So let's take a look. All right, so here I am with Seth from the Ramsey, Washington Watershed District, driving around in a golf cart on a beautiful day. And what are we filming out here? What do you need me to shoot?
We're filming a native prairie restoration here on Keller golf course, and there's 26 acres of it out here. If you haven't viewed it, highly recommend that you come out here. It's in full bloom right now, so time is kind of the essence, but regardless, it's beautiful in the fall and late summer, so yeah.
So it's quite a restoration on the whole course. So we're flying the quadcopter around, try to capture some of that, so I'll insert some of that footage here, but again, beautiful day.